In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on OneDrive, allowing anyone with the link to edit them. This process is straightforward and can make collaboration much easier for you and your team. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Microsoft sign-in page and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft homepage, which should look familiar if you've used Microsoft services before. Next, locate the app's launcher icon in the top left corner of your screen. It typically looks like a grid or a waffle. Clicking on this will drop down a menu of Microsoft services available to you. From this menu, select OneDrive. This is where all your cloud-stored files will be available for you to manage. Once you are in OneDrive, look towards the left side of your screen and click on My Files. This will bring up a list of all the files and folders you have stored in OneDrive. Scroll through and select the specific file or folder that you want to share. You can do this by simply clicking on it. With your file selected, look for the Share option at the top of the page and click on it. This action will open a sharing window. Here you should see a pencil icon which indicates permission settings. By clicking on this icon, you can choose whether those with the link can view or edit the file. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you want others to be able to make changes, ensure that edit permission is enabled. Once you've set the permissions, click on Copy Link, which will generate a shareable link for your file. This link is what allows others to access the file and perform actions as permitted. Make sure to copy the link carefully to avoid any mistakes. The final step is sharing the file. You can send this link to your group or colleagues via email, chat, or however you prefer to communicate. This way you can collaborate on documents, presentations, or any other files you are working on together, all in real time. And that's it, you've successfully enabled sharing on OneDrive, opening up your files for collaboration and teamwork. This simple process can significantly enhance how you and your colleagues work together, making it easy to stay organized and efficient. Remember, allow permission only to those you trust and keep track of files shared to maintain control over your documents. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.